Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make AIP mayo. This recipe is not my original recipe but is from AIPtit.com, and do go to her website. She has lovely AIP recipes there. Alright, so you need 1/4 cup of avocado oil and 1/4 cup of palm shortening. Make sure to soften the palm shortening before measuring, and then we add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a generous pinch of sea salt, and that's it, guys. This is what you need for this basic recipe. As you can see, I'm using Cuisinart immersion blender, and that is like the best blender for this recipe. I have not tried it using any other kind of blender or food processor, so this is what Bon AIP Tit Beth recommended, and that's what I'm using. So, and it just comes out perfectly for me every single time. So I wanted to share this recipe because I had one client asking me for an AIP mayo recipe. So I thought, why not show this recipe? So see how the texture of it's wonderful. And then for me, I felt like it needed some more flavor, so I added a little bit of garlic powder. So I add like about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then for a special flavor, like when I wanted like a mustard flavoring, then I add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard as well. This is ground mustard that I grind myself, and that's it. And then this mayo really packs a punch. It's absolutely delicious, and you can also add in a squeeze of lemon juice also on top. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.